So here's the little trick I use for decanting bottles. So I've got 2 bottles, one of them's half empty. I just wanted to put it into the other one. I do this at home as well. I line them up, get some tape.
Let gravity do the work.
And then I want to leave it overnight, but I don't want it to fall over if the cap goes bouncing across the counter. So I just tape that shut with the little tab on the side. Oh, you can see it. And then I just leave that overnight, and because you can see there's so much liquid up in here, but it's going to be very slow in dripping down. So I just leave that overnight and let it do its magic.